The topic I have chosen is Business Park at Angamali. The main focus of the project is lively working environment for the professionals and co-working concepts for the startups. An interactive office space can promote work efficiency and improve the quality of life. Business park is an area of land in which many office buildings are grouped together. Business parks are often developed in suburban locations where land and building costs are cheaper or places with easy access or transportation facilities. Business park has great importance today because in India 4 million people are working in IT sectors directly and indirect employment to more than 10 million people. The IT sectors contribute 7.7% to India's GDP. 8 million people working on MSME sectors and most of the companies are working 24 by 7 in different shifts. People working in IT profession are spending most of the time in offices. This project aiming at understanding the issues in office workspaces and arriving with an architecture solution with communicative working environment that can encourage its users to interact, create a comfortable environment for work, live and recreation and thereby improving the quality of life. The project is a live proposal for business park in Angamali by the state government for the development of commercial sector. The case studies that I did is Titan Integrity Campus at Bengaluru, Lulu Cyber Tower 2 at Kakanad and as live case studies, Suslon 1 at Pune, Googleplex California as literature case studies. Titan Integrity Campus is a three-story office building by Titan Limited with total built-up area of 390,000 square feet in 6.5 acres of site situated in Electronic City, Bengaluru. The main attraction of the project is planning of office spaces in irregular site with respect to nature, landscape and water body. Building designed in such a way that every floor has terrace garden and atrium provided in between the office spaces for enough daylighting in interiors. The next one is Lulu Cyber Tower at Kakanad. Lulu Cyber Tower 2 is a rental office building with total build-up area of 1,35,900 square meter in 7.5 acres of site situated in Info Park, Kakanad. It is a 19-story building. Ground floor is provided with lobby, banks, parkings. First floor to 8th floor is car parking area. 9 to 19th floor is office spaces. Services, lift, staircase are provided in center and office spaces on periphery. Suslon 1 at Pune is a 3-story office building by Suslon Energy Limited with total built-up area of 70,000 860 square meter in 10.5 acres of site situated in Hadapsar, Pune. The entire project is designed with respect to nature and energy conservation. This is LEED Platinum Griha 5-star certified building and one of the greenest cooperative campus. The office building is divided into 5 interconnected individual buildings. Googleplex California is a two-story office building by Google with built-up area of 20 lakh square feet in 80-acre site situated in California, North America. The concept of the project is lightweight block-like structure with flexible working spaces. The canopy skin of the building regulates indoor climate, air quality and sound. The building gives importance to balance of privacy and communication within the space. The main focus in the case studies was the type of office buildings, the quality of spaces, how it's connect to the neighborhood, and how it responds to the nature, connectivity to spaces, light and ventilation, space distribution, and interaction of different spaces and the employees. The project is a live proposal for business park at Angamali. Angamali is the entry point or gateway to the Kochi town, lies at intersection of MC Road and NH 547. The site has good access to public transport systems. The 14-acre 39-cent site is a part of 30-acre project by government for a business and industrial hub. The site is in KSIDC Startup Zone near to Angamali railway station behind the TEL. It is located 5 kilometers from Cochin International Airport, 2 kilometers from KSRTC bus stand. An office campus in given site can promote development because it's a core area of social interaction in the field of technology. This is the NH 547 road and here is the entry to the site. The whole area is an industrial zone and here is the proposal for the business park. That is the whole project is 30 acres and here is our site that is 14 acres and 39 cents. The site is surrounded by small-scale industries, office buildings, educational institutions, and here is small-scale industries and there are some institutional buildings here. The whole space is like a single campus, so the project should have access to the public, those who are working in this campus. This whole area is slightly contour and Manali River is flowing in northwest side of the site, so there is a cool wind in the site throughout the day. Business Park site is well connected by all means of transport. Cochin International Airport, railway station. Kochi Metro will extend to Angamali in the next stage. Manyalitode, which flows, was a major waterway. Site has exposure to main road, proximity to commercial and industrial zone. Here is the proposed industrial and commercial zones near to the site, access to the site and nearby landmarks. The design of the business park is depends on the spaces, work time duration, connectivity, accessibility and daily user group. As the project is a part of other commercial campus and it is access to public, so the design is in such a way that some spaces are given provided in the entrance and core area, central core area. It can be also used for the public. The round building allows greater flexibility in designing the interior spaces. Open floor plans of the building allow for the easy flow of natural air circulation and lighting throughout. Here is the design evolution. The central core is a space which having better opportunity to enhance the interaction of employees and thereby increasing the knowledge and productivity. Food court in the central core act as the connectivity to different spaces and a space for communication. So the food court is provided in the central core of the business park. The entrance of the business park should be welcoming. So the reception is provided in near to the gate. The site is open to the public, so the store is provided near to the front gate and cafeteria, food court are provided in the center core for easy access for the public. The office spaces are arranged around the central core and the guest room, auditorium are given in the back side of the site and the service block is provided in the back side of the site which have other service entry to the block. It is less noticeable from the other spaces in the site. The concept of the project is the second home. The concept is like shared workspace for the different companies that are as an alternative as the neighborhood. The space provides meeting area, workplaces, cafeteria, conference rooms, etc. And this is the site layout. Here is the entry and this is the reception block. This is office block 1, 2, 3 and 4 and food court is provided in the central core and here is one pavilion. This is startup office. This block is for gym and indoor games. Here this is auditorium and this is guest room and the service block is provided in the rear side. The total build-up area is 28,888 square meters. Building height provided is 12 meters. A common food court is provided for the 4 office blocks and startup office. This helps to improve the interaction between the employees and thereby helps in sharing of knowledge. Gym and indoor games are provided near to the central core. Employees can use the leisure time for physical activities to reduce the stress. Common indoor and outdoor games also facilitate better interaction of employees. The arrangement of blocks are in order to provide equal distance from the central core area. And here is the master plan. The ground coverage is 19.5%. The peripheral road is access to the vehicle and the inner road is only for pedestrians. The office block 1 has total area of 4050 square meters. The whole building is a stepped structure. The balcony is provided in each floor. And here is the entrance to the block, reception, waiting lounge, and there is a central courtyard given. The office spaces are provided in the periphery and the service spaces in the center, so that the office spaces will get the view to the exterior and access to the balcony. 60 car parking and 7 bike parking is provided in the basement floor. And here is the office block 2. It has a total area of 3850 square meter. Similar to the office block 1, the services like stair, toilets given in the center and the office spaces are given in the periphery. The office blocks are provided with reception, lobby, courtyard, waiting lounge, workstation, managers and admin's cabin, pantry, toilet, housekeeping, sick room, locker room, electrical room, refreshment area, internal audit office, boardroom, material storeroom, staircase, lift, parking and balcony. The office block 3 has total area of 3695 and office block 4 has total area of 3865. Startup office is a three-story structure where the ground, first, second floors are equally contributed to the office spaces. It's full of office spaces and unconventional lounges. The startup building is total of 4,345 square feet area, which includes central courtyard space, single work tables, group working tables, locker room, cafe, refreshment area and lounges. Here, the workspaces are arranged around the central courtyard. The guest apartment is total area of 4292. The rooms are arranged in two sides of the corridor. The auditorium has the total floor area of 1750 square meter. Auditorium is designed by ensuring that every audience member has the best view possible onto comfort and safety. Wide fan type seating layout is provided to minimize the space between audience and the stage. Seating capacity of the auditorium is 400. Reception block has the total floor area of 470 square meter. Reception is also provided with library, waiting lounge and lobby. The food court has total floor area of 1286 square meter with capacity of 200 seats. Cafeteria has total floor area of 325 square meter. There is kitchen, food counter, seating space and washrooms provided with the cafeteria. The gym indoor games has the total floor area of 440 square meter. The service block has total floor area of 420 and the special topic is co-working spaces. The definition of co-working is when people assemble in a neutral space to work independently on different projects or in groups on the same projects. It's different than a typical office workspace because the people in a co-working environment generally are not working for the same company. The startup office aims at offering good flexibility, accessibility, and to use the ergonomics principles of well-being at work. The space suggests divisions without partitions to provide a fluid and unobstructed layout. It also provides a space between the noisy part, the relaxing space, and the quiet areas, the workspaces. And the spaces to be provided in the co-working spaces are casual meeting area, different work styles, kitchen, pantry spaces, space for play or relaxation. And they have more job control. In co-working spaces are normally accessible 24 by 7. People can decide whether to put in a long day when they have a deadline or want to show progress, or can decide to take a long break in the middle of the day to go to gym. They can choose whether they want to work in a quiet space so they can focus or in a more collaborative space with shared tables where interaction is encouraged.